If you're getting a CapCut update error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the easiest solution, then move into the more effective ones, including a clean reinstall if needed. This is a great step-by-step guide for anyone who wants CapCut working again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, completely close CapCut. Make sure it is not running in the background because if the app is still open, the update can fail before it even starts. Once CapCut is fully closed, go to your desktop or start menu and find the CapCut shortcut. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives CapCut the permissions it may need to install or apply the update correctly. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes and let it open. Now try the update again and see if it goes through. For a lot of users, this alone fixes the issue because the updater needs elevated access to replace files and make changes to the app. If you still see the error, the next thing to check is your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes security software blocks CapCut from downloading or installing its update files properly. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus protection, then try the update again. Just remember, this is only a temporary test. If the update works after turning it off, then you'll know the security software was interfering. After that, you can turn protection back on and adjust the settings if needed. If the problem is still there, the best next step is a clean reinstall. First, uninstall your current version of CapCut from your computer. On Windows, open Settings, go to Apps, find CapCut in the list and remove it completely. Once it is uninstalled, restart your computer to clear any leftover update processes. Then open your browser and go to the official CapCut website to download the newest installer directly from the source. Avoid old installers or unofficial download sites because they can cause version conflicts and other update problems. After downloading, run the fresh installer and follow the on-screen steps to install CapCut again. Once it's finished, open the app and check whether the update error is gone. In many cases, a clean reinstall fixes corrupted files, broken update components, or incomplete previous installations. So to quickly recap, if CapCut won't update, first run it as Administrator. Then temporarily check your firewall or antivirus, and finally do a clean reinstall using the official CapCut website. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.